Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide bounding boxes in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your InDesign software, then go to your text box. Now, this hide bounding boxes is also called hide frame its. Now I am do hide frame its. Then firstly go to the view menu and go to the extras option, and you can see here are the hide frame its option. Now firstly show our bounding or hide frame its. Now it's this, they go to the view menu, extras, and is hide this. Now you can see hide bounding box or hide frame its in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.